Welcome informate. Ladies and gentlemen, on our welcome on top AJ Flight 231, where they go Port Harcourt. On behalf of everybody waiting for our crew, we want thank una say on agree to follow us waka today. Try focus your attention go our cabin crew people where they for your front. They get important informate where they want give una. Pre-departure safety. Pre-departure safety informate. Before we come out, I beg, make una listen. Make we show you wetin will keep you safe for inside this our aircraft. I beg, wear your seat belt well. Wear your seat belt well. Sit down straight. Make sure say you don't hook the table for your front. I beg, follow off everything will be electronic. Safety announcement. If anything happen and we can't get sharp loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask go fall comot for that compartment so what you see on top your head side. So wear the mask. Make sure say you don't wear your own first before you go help another person wear your own. Wear your seat belt well. Put that iron inside the buckle. Make sure say the thing hold you well as you sit down there. So announcement for electronics. So that make everybody for they safe. I beg, off everything will be electronics. You fit put them for airplane mode for the time where all of us sit there on top this flight. If the electronic na big one, put them well for the overhead compartment, or you fit put them under the seats wey dey for your front. Seat belt announcement. Our ladies and gentlemen, we for like make you remember say, make you fasten your seat belt every time as you sit down there so. Even when them off the seat belt sign, make nothing for do you. We beg you say, make you fasten your seat belt till we finish this flight. Announcement for food. We want to start our food waka for inside this plane. The people will be our cabin crew, they come. Make them forgive you the plenty things where we get for you. Check the small menu card where they for your seat pocket side. Make you foresee the different options where we get. If you get any kind of thing where you know they chop, I beg, tell our cabin crew people. Turbulence announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't see say the plane don't shake. We won't beg you say, make you sit down for your seats. Make sure say you don't fasten your seat belt until them off the seat belt sign. No dey waka for inside the cabin or say you won't go peace now. Make you dey safe. Make all of us for dey safe. Sit down for your seats. Una, thank you. Descent announcement. Passengers, I beg, make una listen o. We don't begin to go down small to reach Port Harcourt. Make sure say you don't fasten your seat belt. Make sure say your tray and table dey lock well. Make sure say everything where you carry come, say you don't lock them well for up. We go soon reach ground. Landing announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, on our welcome to Port Harcourt, we don't land safely. And the time now for this area, now 3 p.m. I beg, sit down for your seat first. Still, they wear your seat belt until they're off the seat belt sign. We for like make you check the place where you sit down. Make you dey sure say you never forget anything before you come out. Thank you and farewell announcement. Our passengers, on behalf of all our people wey be crew, we want thank you say you agree to use AJ Airlines. We hope say the flight been sweet you for your body well. We thank you say you do everything where we ask you to do. We believe say we will see you for front again. Ngwa bye yo. I beg carry am for mind say all these announcements na examples them bill. Them fit change and can add 1 or 2 things based on say specific airlines get their own procedures and regulations.